Good afternoon, everyone. We are getting ready to begin our afternoon. We have a lot set. We have multiple civil matters set at 1, and then the landlord tenant start at 1:15. I'm not sure we can finish everything we have to do in 15 minutes, but we'll see. Oops. Good afternoon. Ms. Foster, could you unmute your microphone, please?
Is that better?
Yes, good afternoon. Are you here on behalf of Rent-A-Center?
I sure am.
All right, stay right where you are. I'm bringing some clients in now. Good afternoon. This is Judge Middleton. Who am I speaking with?
Teresa Winrod.
All right.
I got an appointment at 1 o'clock. I'm sorry I'm early. My daughter's in getting food stamps, and I had to figure out how to do it.
Well, early is fine, so let me give you a name. And do you have the ability to do video?
I don't know how to do the video. Wait a minute. Here she comes. Maybe she'll be able to do it. I'm not sure if I can.
All right. Well, let me bring you in here.
Is that the right number? Right number.
Oh, you're on here? No. Well, see if
I want to know if I can do video. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, I know how to do video. You just need the meeting ID and password. Does it stay on the phone? Hello?
Yes.
What's the meeting ID and password so I can, because I downloaded Zoom for her. Sorry,
All right,
that's
we'll
the
just go with
too.
what we have for now.
I'll go with, okay, so he said I'll go with what you, hold on.
All right.
I'll give her the phone back to her. Okay.
Hello?
Yes. All right, Teresa, I'm going to put you in the window for a moment while you struggle with this.
Okay, thank you.
Don't go away. Don't go away. And this is Courtney Williams. Good afternoon, Mr. Pattison. It is 1 o'clock. We have a lot scheduled. Somehow this got scheduled in the middle of a busy landlord-tenant afternoon. They set 6 cases for 15 minutes. I guess we're down to 4. That's a help. We'll do the best we can. Jessica is here from Rent-A-Center. I've got Nina Ricardo here. I've got Courtney Williams and Teresa Wenrick. I'm going to bring her in. Courtney, can you hear me? All right.
Hello?
Yes, this is Judge Middleton once again. If you would just remain quiet and stay where you are, we're going to take up 4 cases. Yours is one of the 4 cases we're going to be addressing.
Okay.
All right. Nina, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right. Teresa, you're not the only one on here. So you're on like a party line, but you can't tell what's going on because all you have is telephone. So, Mr. Pattison, let's start with that so we can free this lady up. This is file 21981OC. It is entitled Rent-A-Center Inc. versus Teresa Wendrick. This is an order for possession pending judgment on a, I believe, phone, a Galaxy phone. What's the status here, Mr. Pattison?
Well, Your Honor, I've talked with Miss Wenrick back in July. We were trying to resolve the case by her paying some money. She was trying to borrow it as of 7/7/21. Call me tomorrow. I never heard from her. So we couldn't resolve it. And so we are here to pursue our motion for possession pending judgment regarding the phone.
All right. Ms. Wenrick, is that the phone you're on right now?
No, it ain't. This
All right.
is Booth. This is my phone.
Okay. Mr. Pattison?
Well, in our motion, Judge, realized that we believe she's in possession of our property, using it, thereby causing a deterioration of its condition and value. We would like some testimony in support of that. We do have Jessica Foster, the assistant manager of Rent-A-Center, to do that.
I think that's probably sufficient with what we have. Ms. Wenrick, they're asking for their phone back for starters before we get into
the phone's lost. I don't know where it's at. It's in Kalamazoo somewhere. My daughter lost it. I rented it for her. It's up to her to find it. She's trying to find it. That's all I'm saying. She's trying to find it.
All right, I'm going to order that the possession pending judgment is granted. And the plaintiff.
Okay, because I can't pay for it right now because I'm trying to get a loan. I get SSI $900 a month and I have to pay rent.
All right, well, just a minute.
I get disability.
We're going to get to some other things later. But I'm ordering that the phone be returned and the sheriff can seize it and deliver it to the plaintiff, although it doesn't sound like that's going to be able to happen. There's going to be a subsequent hearing regarding money damages. How much is the back rent? Is the value of the lost phone?
I'm not sure.
Well, we'll determine that. It's probably got in over your head. You rented something for someone else that you really can't afford, and now they've lost it, and your name is on the contract. They're going to be seeking monthly rental, weekly rental fees, plus the cost of the lost home. So
I know.
that'll be a subsequent hearing. Are you still at the 113 East Chicago Road address?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Pattison, anything else we need to do on this?
I would ask that the court provide Mr. Bruce Morris 2 copies of the order so he may pursue its execution.
Sounds like a futile enterprise, but we will do that.
Perhaps
Now,
that'd be
Ms.
motivation.
Wenrick, I suggest you have your daughter try to recover this phone. Otherwise, you're going to end up paying for it.
I know.
All right. There'll be a subsequent hearing in a few weeks.
Okay.
All right, you're good to go. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye. All right, that's probably not gonna go too well. All right, we have Nina Ricardo. She was actually the first person to log in. This is file 211028OC. Are you Nina Ricardo?
Yes, I am.
And we're here again only by telephone. This is Judge Middleton. I'm here at the court. We are live on YouTube and we're on the Zoom platform. This is also an order for possession pending judgment for some furniture. Sofa and love seat, a Maytag washer looks like, platform bed, bedroom set, mattress, and a quarter cable drill or something. Mr.
Cool.
Pattison, what's the status here?
The status is we're here pursuing our motion. We're asking the court to approve the order of possession pending judgment, where I'd like to save the money of enlisting Mr. Morris's services if we can reach an agreement with the defendant on a day and time for Rent-A-Center to pick up its merchandise.
Ms. Ricardo, what do you say to that? Right now, they're asking for the property back.
That's what I tried to do. But when they came to my house to get it, they said that stuff was broken. They actually said that I had roaches, which nobody in my house has ever seen a roach. Even my visitors have never seen a roach, just these guys. And they wouldn't take any of it.
Now we want to
I tried to get them.
What can you tell us about that? Often they're reluctant to take mattresses and upholstered furniture back, but some of these things, a washing machine and a drill, what's the status?
I think that's a
of that,
refrigerator, Judge, that's a refrigerator, not a washing machine.
All right.
I had to ask yesterday myself.
Well, do you still want to recover some of the property, or she says they came and would not accept it?
We want all of it.
All right. Can they come and get this tomorrow?
Yeah, that's fine.
What time?
I have to leave for work by like 3 o'clock, so they'd have to be here before that.
How about 10 a.m. tomorrow morning? Does that work for you?
Yep. Yes, that's
Does that
fine.
work for you, Ms. Foster?
That's fine, thank you.
All right. Now, recovering the property does help. There's still going to be further hearings about who owes who how much money. I'm going to order that the defendant shall return property (8/7/21) at 10 a.m. Rent-A-Center will be there to pick it up. Then there'll be a hearing regarding how much is rent and how much is damage to the property. I'd suggest you start to empty the refrigerator in the morning, get everything out of there.
Yep, I understand.
All right. You're still at lot 46 at Memory
one-
Lane?
146, yes.
All right. All right, I've signed the order that plaintiff may have possession of the property. And retain it. And then we'll have further hearing.
Okay.
All right, they'll be there tomorrow at 10 a.m. to pick this property up.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, we're not doing too bad. Our next hearing is Rent-A-Center versus Courtney Williams. Ms. Williams, could you unmute your microphone?
Is that better?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
This is file 192235, People versus Rent-A-Center versus Courtney Williams. This is a very lengthy file. This is I'm not sure what it is. I was trying to figure this out earlier. I don't have the entire file copied. It's a asset discovery hearing reset. Is that what we're doing here, Mr. Pattison, an asset discovery?
We are, and I might suggest if we went and did the other case, Justin Greenfield, then we could put Miss Williams and I in a breakout room to do the discovery.
All right.
Up to you.
Well, we'll take care of Greenfield and then we'll do a discovery on our next one. Thank you, Richard. We're doing all right here. All right, stay right with me for a minute. The next matter is Rent-A-Center versus Justin Greenfield. The file number is 211061. This is a Porter Cable 20 volt max. What is this, Mr. Pattison?
They're tools, Your Honor.
Defendant is not here. I will sign the order granting possession pending judgment.
If you could
Sheriff
arrange,
shall seize the property.
you could arrange for 2 copies to go to Bruce Morris, we'd be grateful.
All right. All right. Set that one aside. Better sign it first. All right. The next matter is Rent-A-Center versus Courtney Williams. This file is quite lengthy. It's a 2019 file, 2225GC. Rent-A-Center does have a judgment here, and they're attempting to collect on the judgment. And in an effort in that regard, Ms. Williams has received a subpoena to be here today. Ms. Williams, I'm going to ask you to raise your right hand, if you would. Do you swear or affirm any testimony you're about to give in the course of this asset discovery hearing will be true to the best of your knowledge and belief?
I do.
All right, I'm going to put you in what's called a breakout room where you can meet privately off the record here with Attorney Pattison and Jessica, the assistant manager at Rent-A-Center.
Okay.
All right, here it goes. You might have to hit a button that says join.
Okay.
Thank you, Rich. All right, that takes care of our civil matters.